Hello guys, in this step-by-step video, I will show you how to change username on YouTube or how to change your channel username. The steps are so simple to follow. Just make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. First of all, after you open your phone, go to your Play Store or App Store and install this YouTube Studio app. After you install this YouTube Studio app, now go and open the app. So if you open the app, for the first time it will ask you to log in using your Gmail account for your YouTube. So for me, I have already logged in, so tap on this profile icon at the bottom right side. After you tap on this profile icon, now tap on this pencil icon beside the username or your YouTube name. So in this section now, as you can see, here is my name username on my YouTube app. As you can see now, here is my username on YouTube. So tap on this pencil icon, this one, beside the username. So here, as you can see now here it will allow you now to change your handle name. As you can see here, it says handle, it's same as username. So I'll just go and delete the something and type in something. So after you type in your username, as you can see now allow it to finish loading, as you can see. So if it gives you this mark button, as you can see now, if you get this green mark button, means the username is available. So all you have to do now, tap on this save button, it will save your username. So that's it guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.